everybody, it's Kylie and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a crochet stitch tutorial for y'all. I'm going to show y'all how to crochet the Royal Ridge stitch. So this is a stitch that has a really nice texture and it's actually really easy and simple to crochet as it is made of a 1-row repeat. And I just want to take a moment and look at this texture. I mean, I think it's the perfect stitch for scarves, shawls, blankets, hats, any wearable item, especially in the fall or winter time, because it creates this kind of almost thicker type piece, and I just absolutely love it. So for this stitch tutorial, you can use any yarn that you want with corresponding hook. I'm just using some worsted weight number 4 yarn and a H or 5mm crochet hook, and we're going to jump right into the stitch tutorial and get started. So I've made a slip knot and placed it on my crochet hook, and for the Royal Ridge crochet stitch you can start with any number of chain stitches that you want to. So for this sample piece that I'm going to be working on, I'm going to start with 23 chain stitches, but you can start with any number of chains that you want. Okay, so I finished my 23 chain stitches, and now for row 1 of the Royal Ridge stitch, you are going to start working in the second chain stitch from your hook. So we're going to work a half double crochet in that second chain stitch from our hook, and then we're going to work a half double crochet in each chain stitch across. Okay, so this is what it looked like after the end of row 1, and going on to row 2, and this row 2 will be our repeat row. We will simply chain 1, turn our work, and for row 2, we're going to start working in the 3rd loop of our half double crochet. Okay, so I zoomed in a little bit closer so y'all can see, because for row 2 and every row on, we're going to be working in the 3rd loop of our half double crochet. So when you turn your piece, this is what it will look like. So if we'll kind of roll it over here to the top, this is the top of our half double crochet. So right here is our front loop, right here is our back loop, and if you'll turn it to the back here, directly below the back loop right here is our 3rd loop. And this is where we will be working our half double crochet stitches into. So you don't want to go under the front or back loop. Like normally when you would work a half double crochet stitch, you'd insert your hook under both the front and back loops and work there, but we're not. We're going to work into this 3rd loop of the half double crochet, which is this back loop here. So going on for row 2, we've already chained 1 and turned, and then we're simply going to work a half double crochet in the 3rd loop of each stitch across. So I'm going to yarn over this 3rd loop right here, work a half double crochet, and you're going to just do that in each stitch across, just going into that 3rd loop only. And I'm going to zoom back out just to make sure it's a little bit clearer for y'all, and like so. And you're just going to do that all the way across, going in that 3rd loop only. And what happens is this pushes that front and back loop forward, which gives this stitch its texture. So I'm just going to keep working that all the way across. Okay, and this is what it looked like after row 2. This is like the wrong side. You can't see the texture on this side yet, but you will after you do a few more rows. And this is what it looks like on the right side. You can see how it's already starting to have that texture. Going on for row 3 on, you will just simply repeat row 2. You'll chain 1, turn your work, and you will half double crochet in the 3rd loop of each stitch across. And that's literally how simple it is to crochet the Royal Ridge stitch. After you have a few more rows, this is what your piece will look like. It's kind of almost reversible. After you do the first couple rows, it starts looking the same on both sides, and that's literally how easy it is to crochet the Royal Ridge stitch. You'll just keep repeating row 2. If you need to, rewind the video to watch row 2 again. And I hope y'all have enjoyed this crochet tutorial. If you did, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to check out my channel for other crochet stitch tutorials and other pattern tutorials, and happy crocheting.